If you're a parent of a child between the ages of 4 and 12, and they've showed an interest in learning drums, or they just bang on everything and have rhythm, your #1 priority should be getting them into drum lessons before it's too late. Because the longer you wait, the less likely it'll be that they'll ever get started. And I can guarantee you won't regret starting now. We'll get your child playing drums and feeling confident after just one lesson, or you don't pay a dime. I'm Elias Berlinger, co-founder of My Music Workshop. We help kids learn music without the boring or frustrating parts of traditional lessons. Learning drums without confidence and joy isn't winning. You can spend lots of money on drum lessons, but if your child isn't motivated and having fun in the process, they'll lose their love for music and their desire to learn will fizzle out. I'm going to show you exactly how we teach drums to kids and why our students are actually excited to learn. Our lessons are like building blocks for success. Your young drummer can learn in one of two ways. One, the single drum if they're younger or just beginning. Or two, the drum set if they have one and are ready to learn. In our single drum lessons, print out your rhythm ring and put it on your drum. Then kids can follow along with the red and blue notes to learn fundamental drum patterns that get them feeling successful and learning right away while they're learning to read music. When it's drum set time, they'll just need a simple drum set with a bass drum, snare, and hi-hats. Then they'll be playing real drum beats fast and learning to read music while they play. They'll follow along with what the teacher is doing, and they'll see music on the screen at the same time. They'll practice the new beat they learned until they've got it, then play it along with jam-along practice music at different tempos so they learn and grow. Then they can take quick quizzes after their practice to feel confident in what they just learned. Every completed lesson, practice, and quiz earns them rock star rewards that they can use inside My Music Workshop to get new musical characters, instruments in the instrument store, they can build their own music rooms, and more. But that's not all. Kids keep learning about music and having fun in the games and activities area. They can create their own music just like a pro music producer in our Music Studio Junior. They pick a drum beat, bass line, guitar riff, and piano part and put them together to hear their own unique song mix. Then they can save them and build their collection. After that, they can hop over to Composer's Corner where they can create music like a composer. They can add notes to the staff and hear the music come to life. We built My Music Workshop to be the music program that we wish we had when we were kids. By the way, you also get access to all of our other instrument lessons like piano, ukulele, singing, and more. It's all included. There are 2 requirements that make My Music Workshop a good fit for you. 1, you want to help your child creatively express themselves. And 2, you see the value in learning music from an early age. Hit the button below and try it for free for 7 days and get full access into a world of music and see your child beam with confidence and joy.